Hey guys, I have 1500 around 1500 subscribers and I'm very close yet very far from monetization. Why? So the journey of the YouTube has been like this. I have been uh, posting videos for last 6 months, and this is my first time in YouTube. Didn't have a previous experience, and I don't have much of an equipment except a webcam of a laptop and this mic that I bought. And so it has been hell of an experience. I started sharing my learnings, and I thought that I'll teach, and I thought that I'll share and we will grow together. So we have grown, but surprisingly what happened was that I gained a lot of subscribers, but I didn't meet the other criteria of the monetization. Why I care about monetization, I actually don't know, because I know that after monetization I'm going to make pennies out of advertisement, because you don't make much money out of advertisement. But as a YouTuber journey, it feels really good to hit a milestone. So that's how after. So I've hit the subscriber milestone. We are a 1.5 K family, but where I'm logging in as watch hours, and now I need 4,000 watch hours. I am so far away from it. You can't believe, because what happened was I posted several videos of different kinds, but what ended up going viral was a very small 1 minute video, and that gained a lot of views and hence a lot of subscribers, but that didn't get a lot of watch hours. But not lot many of my videos actually did well. Other than that, there were a few videos that did well. One of them is something like reviewing this Leonardo AI for creating logos. Like how good is it to create logos? So that is not the aim of this channel, but I just wanted to do something different, and that ended up gaining a lot of traction from the that ended up gaining a lot of views, and that gave me a lot of watch hours. So I've you won't believe, I have 1,500 subscribers, but I have only 100 or 109 watch hours. I have to go up to 4,000. So this is why the title, this is not a clickbait. It feels like this channel is never going to get monetized, but I am not ranting about it. I just wanted to share this because I feel like laughing, because I want to share what I have gained over the last 7 years of my experience with anyone who may find it useful, and therefore it may be helpful to them, and they may like it, and I may grow in the YouTube space. I may reach out and be able to help more and more people. So it's discouraging to see, like, when you post your videos and only 10 people sees or 12 people sees, like that. Sometimes in the beginning, but then slowly you grow and you have some reach. But that is YouTube. That is a good thing and a bad thing. So the bad thing is you don't get the rewards upfront, but the good thing is you can do as many mistakes as possible. I'm not good at video making. I'm just learning. So I can learn and make a lot of mistakes. As Mr. Beast says, you have to make at least 100 videos and improve each video after the second one. So it's going to take a long time. But after 100th video, you will go back and see your first video and it's going to suck. For you, you're going to cringe. So yeah, and my goal is to help people. And I have my job, so it's not that I need money, and not if I get monetized I'll get millions, but still it's a milestone. If I hit someday, I'll be happy. I'll be very thrilled. But what makes me more happy is if I'm able to reach and help more people and make an impact because it takes years to get monetized. And I would share it with you. I would agree with like the YouTubers out there whom I see. They say YouTube is hard. Yes, definitely, especially if you have um, a job which you have to manage with YouTube, and then you have your family with whom you will you share your time. So, what time do you are you left with for YouTube? And mind you, so anyone, I feel anyone can succeed at YouTube. You just have to give it time and an honest try. So you have to keep improving. That is what I felt. Like you have to keep improving your videos, keep upgrading, learn from each and every video. But at the same time, you have to uh, give it a lot of time. Editing takes a lot of time. Then coming up with video ideas, researching for that, those take a lot of time. So it takes a lot of time in a space where you are new. So the most YouTuber, they fail because they quit. If you're a YouTuber, you're you should be at least in this for 2 to 3 years minimum, without any substantial results. I have, like, whenever I do my research, I get YouTubers who have worked for 5 years and then got their results. Mr. Beast have been obsessing over YouTube from like so much long. So it's been, I think, 10 or 15 years, and he invests all the money he earns into his videos. So he has been growing like that. So finally, quality wins, and it's a long time race. But the main thing is, for me, my goal would be like to be able to reach, to learn, and to be able to reach people who need help. I need help from people. I'm not a big guy who knows it all, but there are people who are at the curve before me. If I can help them, and then it would be great, because I have been getting help from people who are YouTubers or who are bloggers. From them, they have been posting and writing about things from which I learned. So I should be posting and giving it back to the community, even if I am bad at it in the beginning, and if I have the fear that how will I look, but still. So yeah, that's my rant. That I feel like this channel is never going to be monetized, but it's okay. I don't want to anytime sooner, because I'll be under further performance pressure. I like this freedom. Yeah, I hope your day is going well. Thank you.